You searched how to buy shares of Coherent Corp. Coherent makes lasers, photonics, and optical systems for industrial and scientific use. It trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker COHR. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy COHR, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker COHR to find the stock. Select the matching Coherent Corp listing to open its asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for reference. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker COHR to ensure it is the correct stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details carefully, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before the purchase can be completed. Your COHR position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to review the platform example.